And then I'll be right back.
Very responsible.
Keep being the superstar that you are, you guys.
Yes, Chief, I will.
Oh, and you too, Leopard.
You're in good hands. If anything bad happens, like if Toothless is doing something he shouldn't, please come find me. Can you do that? Thank you. Well, have fun. Remember, don't tempt him with any treats. He doesn't need more.
What did he say? Oh, I hope you
Go ahead.
because I don't know what he said. Hi, I'm Legbird, and you know the proper way to approach a dragon on Subi. It's slowly, and then you ask him if you can pet him. He's looking at you. Good job. Slowly come this way. Slowly. Oh, you're so close. There it is. Wow. You're a natural. That's incredible.
Go ahead, Noah.
You're gonna try? He's making his happy sounds. You two, you're so calm, cool, collected. Clearly you have a dragon at home. I'm not nearly as calm with her because I'm not as used to, huge dragons there. I got a small dragon like this big. Anyways. You're so calm, I'm nervous. Are you like way more qualified to work with him than I am? No, okay, thanks for saying that. I'm a little intimidated. Do you want to come stand next to him? Here we go. I'm going to show off my Viking vessels.
All right. 3, 2, 1, Vikings.